In 2025, India has significantly enhanced its defense capabilities with the induction of the Rafale fighter jet into its arsenal. This move marks a pivotal moment in the nation's military history, reflecting a strategic shift towards modern, multi-role combat aircraft. The Rafale, manufactured by Dassault Aviation, is renowned for its versatility and advanced technology. Its integration into the Indian Air Force (IAF) and Navy underscores India's commitment to strengthening its defense infrastructure. Air Force integration. The Indian Air Force has incorporated the Rafale to bolster its combat capabilities. Equipped with cutting-edge avionics and weaponry, the Rafale enhances the IAF's ability to conduct precision strikes, air superiority missions, and reconnaissance operations. Its induction is seen as a response to regional security challenges and a step towards modernizing the Air Force. Naval enhancement. In addition to the Air Force, the Indian Navy has procured the Rafale Marine variant. This carrier-based aircraft is set to replace the aging MiG-29K fleet, providing the Navy with a more reliable and potent strike capability. The Rafale MS advanced features, including its ability to operate from aircraft carriers like the INS Vikrant, significantly enhance India's maritime defense posture. Technical specifications and capabilities. The Rafale is a 4.5-generation multi-role fighter jet capable of performing a wide range of missions. Key specifications include SAD Smiley Indian Defense News A1. Engine, M88-3 turbofan engine, providing superior thrust and efficiency. Avionics, advanced radar systems and electronic warfare equipment for enhanced situational awareness. Weapons, compatibility with a variety of munitions, including Scalp cruise missiles, Meteor air-to-air missiles, and Exocet anti-ship missiles, India Today A5. Stealth features. Design elements that reduce radar cross-section, improving survivability in hostile environments. These capabilities make the Rafale a formidable asset in both air and naval operations. Countering regional threats. The induction of the Rafale is a strategic response to the evolving security dynamics in the Indo-Pacific region. With China's growing naval presence and Pakistan's military developments, India's acquisition of the Rafale enhances its deterrence capabilities. The aircraft's advanced systems enable India to maintain a technological edge over potential adversaries. Strengthening alliances. The Rafale deal also signifies strengthening defense ties between India and France. Through this partnership, India gains access to advanced military technology and expertise, while France benefits from a strategic ally in the region. This collaboration is expected to foster greater defense cooperation and interoperability between the two nations. Indigenous contributions and self-reliance. Aligned with India's Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India initiative, the Rafale program includes provisions for